Okay, here's another variation of parallel parking. All right, this time I'm going to line up my mirror, my passenger side mirror, not with the mirror of the other vehicle, but I'm going to line it up with the middle of the other vehicle. So right there where you see the two doors split, my side mirror is lined up approximately with the middle of that car. All right, so now I'm going to line up here. I'm going to turn my steering wheel one full circle to the right, and now I'm going to reverse back. And now this method, I'm going to, instead of using the tail light, which is blocking out right now, I'm going to line up my mirror with the license plate. So right now it's starting to touch the license plate. I'm going to let it go to the middle of the license plate, like right there. And then I'm going to cut the wheel all the way to the left. And then I'm going to reverse into the spot. Okay, now look in the mirror here. Look at the space in between my car and the curb, and you can see that pretty well in the passenger side mirror. So what I'm looking at there is how close I'm getting to the curb. And this is coming in decent. It looks like I might hit the curb. So right there, I can't see any more of the road. So I feel like I'm about to hit the curb. So if that happens, what you do is you go into fix-it mode. All right, so now I don't want to risk hitting a curb. I might be able to get it in there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car in drive. I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the right, and I'm going to go forward until I can see a little piece of the road right there. So now I can see a little piece of the road again, and just so happens I'm parked pretty great once I do that. Now, that is usually allowable by most examiners, all right?